Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet for all things home design. I am so excited you are here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, summer farmhouse decor. Whether you are completely new to the farmhouse aesthetic or you have been layering shiplap and linen for years, this video is packed with ideas that are easy, affordable, and genuinely beautiful. We are walking through every single room of the house together, from the front door all the way to the garage and patio. If this sounds like the kind of inspiration you love, do me a favor right now, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below and tell me which room in your home you are most excited to refresh this summer. Now, let us get started. First impressions matter, and your farmhouse exterior sets the entire tone for everything inside. For summer, think fresh white or warm creamy board and batten siding paired with black or aged bronze hardware. That classic contrast is what we call high-contrast farmhouse, and it never goes out of style. Hang a hand-woven rattan wreath on your front door, filled with dried pampas grass, sunflowers, or eucalyptus sprigs. Swap out heavy winter planters for tall galvanized metal buckets overflowing with zinnias, lavender, and trailing sweet potato vine. A clean, bold house number plaque in matte black finishes the look with just the right touch of polish. Your entryway is more than just a passageway. It is your home's handshake. Start with a chunky wooden coat rack or a wall-mounted shiplap panel fitted with vintage-style iron hooks for hanging hats, light jackets, and keys. Below that, a narrow bench with built-in cubbies or a woven basket shoe cabinet keeps things tidy without feeling sterile. Add a distressed mirror with a natural wood frame to bounce light and make the space feel larger. Lay down a washable cotton runner in a ticking stripe or checkered pattern. Finish with a small potted herb or a mason jar filled with fresh wildflowers on a console shelf for that summer farmhouse softness. The living room is where farmhouse design truly shines in summer. Swap your heavier throw blankets for lightweight cotton gauze or linen throws in warm whites, sage greens, and soft yellows. Your sofa, ideally a rolled arm or English roll-arm style in a natural linen or slipcover fabric, becomes the anchor. Layer a jute rug over a subtle striped cotton rug for that curated, collected look designers call rug layering. Bring in a wooden coffee table with a weathered finish and style it with a wooden tray, a pillar candle in a mason jar, and a small vase of seasonal stems. Open your curtains wide and let that summer light do the decorating for you. A farmhouse dining room in summer should feel generous, bright, and a little bit magical. Your table, ideally a solid reclaimed wood trestle table or a butcher block style, is the star. For a stunning summer tablescape, use a simple linen or burlap table runner as your base. Layer on a collection of mismatched white ceramic pitchers and vases filled with garden cuttings like sunflowers, dahlias, or chamomile. Use wooden charger plates under simple white dinnerware. Tuck linen napkins into vintage-style napkin rings made from twine or dried grasses. Overhead, a woven rattan pendant light or a rustic iron chandelier with Edison bulbs adds warmth without heaviness. Centerpieces do not need to be expensive. They just need heart. The kitchen is the heart of the farmhouse home, and summer is the perfect time to freshen it up. If your cabinets are painted, consider a warm white or soft sage green. Both are deeply on trend right now in what designers call the new farmhouse palette. Open shelving is ideal for displaying your stoneware and ironstone collections. On your refrigerator, skip the clutter and keep it clean with just a small magnetic chalkboard listing the weekly seasonal menu. Around your stove, hang a cast iron skillet on a pot rack alongside a bundle of dried herbs. Tuck your small drip coffee machine or French press into a dedicated coffee nook, styled with a wooden tray, a small succulent, and your favorite ceramic mugs hanging on S-hooks. Functional and gorgeous. The family room should feel relaxed, lived in, and layered with warmth. Center the space around a wooden media console or a repurposed antique sideboard holding your flat-screen TV. Rather than letting the screen dominate, flank it with framed botanical prints or a gallery wall of simple black-frame summer landscape photos. Style the console with a few carefully chosen objects: a woven basket, a candle, a small potted trailing plant. On the seating side, a deep sectional or a pair of roll-arm chairs in a performance linen fabric invites lingering. Layer in textured throw pillows in cream, terracotta, and soft blue. Add a chunky knit poof for extra seating. This is a room built for movie nights and slow summer evenings. A well-designed multifunctional room can hold both productivity and peace. For the home office corner, choose a small but characterful writing desk. Think a reclaimed wood piece with hairpin legs or a farmhouse secretary desk. Keep the desktop minimal: a slim laptop, a ceramic pencil holder, and a tiny vintage-style desk clock or a small unique watch display piece that doubles as a conversation starter. Add a compact tabletop radio in brushed brass or cream to bring in soft background music while you work. For the reading nook, carve out a corner with a comfortable slipper chair or a built-in window bench layered with a striped cushion. Stack a few summer reads on a small side table and add a floor lamp with a linen shade. This space should feel like an exhale. The farmhouse bedroom in summer is all about cool linens, soft light, and natural textures. Start with your bedding. Swap any heavy duvets for a lightweight cotton coverlet or a waffle weave blanket in white, warm cream, or dusty blue. Layer on 2 Euro shams and 2 standard pillows in a mix of solid and gently patterned linen pillowcases. Your bed frame should be grounding: a white or natural wood panel bed, a simple sleigh style, or a beautiful aged iron bed all work beautifully here. Style your nightstand with a small ceramic bedside lamp, a bud vase with a single stem flower, and a candle. Add a woven seagrass area rug underfoot. Keep window treatments light. A sheer linen curtain that moves in the summer breeze is everything. Your bathroom deserves the same seasonal love as every other room. Start at the shower. Layer in a clean white cotton waffle weave shower curtain and swap out your everyday shampoo bottles for a set of matching apothecary-style dispensers in amber glass or white ceramic. A wooden bath mat or a woven cotton bath rug adds warmth underfoot. At the Wastafel, your vanity basin, style the counter with a small wooden tray holding hand soap in a ceramic pump dispenser, a rolled linen hand towel, and a tiny sprig of dried lavender. Hang a simple round mirror with a natural teak frame above. A small potted plant like a trailing pot hose or a fern in a terracotta pot completes the fresh, spa-like atmosphere. Less is truly more in the farmhouse bathroom. Most people forget about the garage when it comes to home decor, but a well-styled farmhouse garage is genuinely impressive. Start with organization. Install a wall of open wooden shelving or heavy-duty pegboards with metal hooks for tools and gear. Use matching galvanized metal bins or wooden crates for storage to keep things cohesive. Paint the floor with a concrete epoxy in a warm gray or charcoal tone. If you have a workshop bench, keep it styled simply with a vintage-style task lamp and a small potted succulent. Hang a chalkboard on the wall for notes and shopping lists. Even a simple string of Edison bulb lights along the ceiling transforms the mood. The garage can be both hardworking and handsome. The patio is where the farmhouse aesthetic fully meets summer living, and this is one space you will want to spend every evening in. Anchor the space with a large, durable outdoor dining table. Think weathered teak, a powder-coated iron frame with a wood top, or a concrete bistro-style table. Surround it with mismatched but coordinated seating, a mix of wooden chairs, a small bench, and perhaps a swing chair hanging from the pergola. Layer in outdoor rugs in a natural woven jute or a washable cotton stripe pattern. Style the table with a simple centerpiece of mason jars filled with fresh herbs or wildflowers. Drape string lights overhead and add a few galvanized metal lanterns around the perimeter. This is your outdoor farmhouse dining room, and it is absolutely magical at golden hour. A vignette. That beautiful little styled grouping of objects on a shelf, tray, or tabletop is one of the most powerful tools in a home designer's toolkit. For summer farmhouse vignettes, always work in odd numbers. A group of 3 or 5 objects is far more visually pleasing than 4 or 6. Combine objects of varying heights, a tall ceramic vase, a medium wooden candlestick, and a small potted succulent, for example. Always include something natural, a dried seed head, a pine cone, a bundle of wheatgrass, or a smooth river stone. Rotate your vignettes seasonally by simply swapping in sunflower stems for spring tulips or adding a small seashell collection. These small moments make a house feel genuinely curated. The summer farmhouse palette is warm, sun-washed, and grounded in nature. Think creamy whites, warm flax linens, soft sage greens, muted terracotta, faded cornflower blue, and touches of golden yellow. Avoid anything that feels too saturated or overly bright. Farmhouse style is about subtlety and softness. A great rule of thumb is the 60-30-10 rule. 60% of your room in a dominant neutral, 30% in a secondary tone like sage or dusty blue, and 10% in an accent like terracotta or warm gold. Bring in color through textiles first: pillows, throws, table runners, and area rugs, since they are the easiest and most affordable things to swap out when the season changes. Farmhouse design is rooted in honest, natural materials, and summer is the perfect season to lean into that fully. Wood is the foundation. Reclaimed oak, pine, walnut, and teak bring warmth and character. Rattan and wicker add lightness and a relaxed, breezy feel ideal for warmer months. Linen and cotton are your go-to textiles. Both breathe beautifully and develop that perfectly imperfect lived-in look over time. Stone, whether in the form of marble, slate, or raw concrete, grounds a space with cool elegance. Even a simple jute basket or a seagrass bowl serves double duty as both storage and decor. When in doubt, choose natural over synthetic. The textures will always look more beautiful and feel more authentic in a farmhouse interior. Lighting is perhaps the single most impactful design element, and in summer you have the most beautiful light source of all, the sun. Keep window treatments sheer and light so that golden hour floods every room. Layer your artificial lighting in 3 ways: ambient lighting from overhead fixtures like rattan pendants or wrought iron chandeliers, task lighting from ceramic or linen-shaded table lamps, and accent lighting from candles and string lights. Dimmer switches are an absolute game changer and an easy weekend upgrade. In summer evenings, lean heavily on candlelight. Pillar candles in varying heights on a wooden board, or a cluster of votives in mason jars, create the most gorgeous warm glow that no overhead light can replicate. One of the secrets to a home that always looks effortlessly beautiful is building a foundation that works across seasons, then layering in seasonal accents on top. In summer, your core neutral palette of whites, linens, and natural wood stays exactly the same. What changes are your accent layers? Swap in sunflower and dried pampas arrangements, bring in lighter cotton textiles, open up the home with sheer curtains, and move more living outdoors onto the patio. Keep a dedicated seasonal storage bin or basket for each season's accent pieces: summer, fall, winter, spring, so the transition takes an afternoon rather than a week. Rotating 3 to 5 key items in each room is genuinely all you need to make the whole home feel fresh and intentional. Gorgeous farmhouse decor does not require a large budget. It requires a good eye and a little creativity. Start at thrift stores and estate sales for your biggest finds: wooden crates, ceramic pitchers, old mirrors, iron candle holders, and woven baskets are abundant and incredibly affordable. Learn to paint. A coat of chalk paint in a warm white transforms almost any tired piece of furniture into something that looks intentionally farmhouse. Shop your own home first. Move things from room to room with fresh eyes before buying anything new. Invest where it counts. A quality linen duvet cover or a solid wood coffee table will last decades. Save on accessories by using cuttings from your own garden and repurposing mason jars, wine bottles, and wooden boards as decor. One of the most defining characteristics of summer farmhouse style is its seamless connection to the outdoors. Bring in branches from your garden and arrange them in a tall ceramic vase for dramatic, free organic sculpture. Pot fresh herbs, rosemary, basil, mint, and thyme in terracotta pots and line them along your kitchen windowsill. Float flower heads in a shallow bowl of water on your dining table for a breathtaking and effortless centerpiece. Collect smooth river stones, pine cones, or seed pods from walks and use them in your vignettes and trays. Hang dried herb bundles or lavender bunches on interior door handles. The farmhouse aesthetic has always celebrated the beauty of what grows just outside your door. Summer is the season to let it all come inside. The most beautiful homes are not the ones that look like a showroom. They are the ones that feel like someone actually lives there, loves there, and has a story to tell. Your summer farmhouse decor should include pieces that mean something to you. A quilt your grandmother made, a wooden cutting board from your favorite market trip, a photograph of a place you love printed simply in a black frame. Mix your thrifted finds with new purchases without apology. That layered, collected look is precisely what makes farmhouse style feel authentic rather than manufactured. Let your children's drawings sit beside your favorite ceramic bowl. Let your dog's favorite blanket drape over the arm of your sofa. Real life is always the best interior designer, and this home is yours. And just like that, we have walked through every corner of your summer farmhouse home together, from the sunlit facade all the way to the patio strung with Edison lights. The key takeaways are simple. Lean into natural materials, keep your palette warm and gentle, layer textures freely, bring the outdoors in at every opportunity, and always let your home tell your story. You do not need to do everything at once. Start with one room, one vignette, one fresh bouquet on your kitchen table. Small changes create enormous impact when they come from an intentional place. I hope this video has filled you with ideas and the confidence to try them. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps this channel grow more than you know. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Hit that button and join our growing community at the Daily House Ideas. New design inspiration drops every week, and I would love to have you here for all of it. Until next time, keep making your home your favorite place to be. See you soon.